So here's part 3 to the video that is our review. So in question number 10, it says that we want to take a look at parallel, perpendicular, or oblique. So again, we want to see what the slope of this line is, and I'm going to use these 2 points that you see we have indicated, and this is going to be a negative slope. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope is 4. And so that was the rise. The run is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 over 6 reduces to 2/3. So the slope of the existing line is 2/3. So for the parallel lines, it will be 2/3, and for the perpendicular lines, it will be -3/2, and if it's neither one of those, it will be oblique. So the slope on this one is -2/3. So that's not parallel and it's not perpendicular, therefore it is oblique. This one is 3/2, and so I'm looking for this one, but it's missing the negative, so it is also oblique. So you do have to pay particular attention to those negative signs. So -3/2 is what I have here, so this one is perpendicular. And 2/3 is parallel. Now, remember, if these are not in y-intercept form, you will need to put them in y-intercept form before you can see the slope. So now we're going to take a look and we're going to see which lines are parallel here. So in order to do that, I'm going to actually count these slopes and see which 2 line segments have the same slope. So you see that we have indicated here a point here and a point here. So this slope is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2. Did you get 9/2, or did I count that wrong? Yes, it is negative. Thank you. It's -9/2 for AB. AB has a slope of -9/2. CD is going to have a slope of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be -9/3. And I'm really just counting the blocks from one point to the next. So now I'm looking at line EF. And line EF has a slope of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2. So it's -9/2. And HG is the last one. And you can really see that HG is going to be a different slant because it crosses EF. So you can really tell at this point that the 2 lines that are parallel in the graph are AB and EF. So you could do that last one, but you don't necessarily have to do that last one. Good? Okay, question number 12. Given the graph, plot a point other than C with integral coordinates that lie on a line that is parallel or perpendicular. So then I want you to do the parallel one here and the perpendicular one here. So again, we need to find the slope of BA. So I'm going to count this using B and A. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the slope is 10 over 6, which reduces to 5 over 3. Since this one is parallel, I'm going to use the same slope. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So the line needs to go between these two and there's my line segment. Now this one is perpendicular, so the slope for this one is going to be negative 3/5. So I'm going to start with C, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is going to be perpendicular. So I'm going to use my line piece to go this way. And you can see that this is perpendicular to that. Okay, next page. Not right now. Now, this is what we practiced recently. This is the external and internal angle piece. So what we know is that this angle plus this angle is equal to that external angle. So x minus 16 plus x minus 3 equals x plus 42. So 2x minus 19 equals x plus 42. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. So x minus 19 is equal to 42. And then I'm going to add 19 to both sides. So 42 plus 19 is equal to 61. So x is equal to 61. Well, the question didn't ask what x was. The question asked what angle CBD was. So 61 plus 42 is equal to 103. So this measure is 103 degrees. Now, this one is interesting. Yes, sir. Okay, let's go back and fix this one. It was pointed out to me that this was a plus and I had a minus. So let's go back and fix this one. So that changes that to a 13 at this point. So this is minus 13 equals, and so let's fix that here also. So this is a minus 13. So we have 13 plus the 42. So that's a 5 and a 5. So this is 55. So 55 plus 42 is 97. So that is the correct answer for this one, 97. That's the measure of angle CBD. X is 55. The measure of CBD is 97 degrees. Now, question number 14. This one is what we call an isosceles triangle. And because this red mark and this red mark are equal, these angles are also equal. So we know that this is also 75 degrees. So 75 plus 75 plus x equals 180 using the triangle sum theorem. So 150, which is 75 plus 75, plus x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 30 degrees. Now we come to part B in this one. This one is an equilateral triangle. So if all the sides are equal, then also all the angles are equal. So this is 3x plus 3x plus 3x equals 180. So 9x equals 180. And so x is equal to 20. Okay, and they just ask us to find the value of x. So the value of x is 20 degrees. You need me to wait? Part C of this question. This triangle has two parallel lines, and here's a transversal, and here's a transversal. So this one is 63, and this one is 63. So what does that make this angle? 180. This angle is 180 minus 123. So what's 180 minus 123? So this angle must be 57 degrees. Let me change colors so that we're understanding. This angle must be 57 degrees. So 57 plus 63 plus x equals 180. So 57 and 63, 6, 11, so that's 120 plus x equals 150. So x must be equal to 30 degrees. Let me see if I can get this last one in here. This angle is 90 degrees plus this angle, 2x plus 37. That's equal to 3x. That's that exterior angle rule. So 90 plus 37 is 127 plus the 2x equals 3x. So x equals 127. And that really doesn't make sense logistically because 3 times 127 is way more than 180. So I had a problem with that one when we were practicing it before, but algebraically that's what that one looks like. So we're going to stop here.